Good morning, Vikings. This video is going to show you how to access and to use your email. So there are two ways that you can do it. I will show you both ways. The first way you can do it is down here in the bottom left on the search bar. You're going to type Outlook. And you'll see the Outlook app. Go ahead and click the Outlook app and it will open and you'll see a little Outlook tab or icon down at the bottom of your screen. So see mine is flashing orange down here. What I'm going to do now is right click on that and then click Pin to Taskbar. Then when I close it, it will still be there. So let me show you that one more time. So there's nothing down at the bottom on my taskbar, but in the bottom left of my screen, I'm going to click, I'm going to click in the search bar and I'm going to type Outlook. There it is. We're going to click that. And then when it pops up, we are going to right click and then pin to taskbar. So that way it will always be there when I need it. Maybe your laptop doesn't have the Outlook app and you need to use the browser. So to access your email that way, you're going to open Chrome, always Chrome, and you are going to Google the same word, Outlook. So after I've opened Chrome and I've Googled Outlook, the very first option in my search results is the one that I want. So I'm going to click that, and this is my welcome screen. Now you are not going to create an account, you already have one. You are going to sign in. So I'm clicking sign in the top right. That's my email address. Your guys' email address is your student number at washoschools.org. Let me show you that one more time. I open Google. I search for Outlook. I use the first search result. I click sign in. And then your email address is your student number at washoschools.org. Now friends, make sure you are spelling everything correctly. Make sure your numbers go in the right order. If you don't type your student number correctly, or if you misspell Washoe Schools, you're not going to be able to get in. Once you log into your email, it's going to look like this. On the left-hand side, and this is the same whether you are using the browser or the app, on the left-hand side is all of the emails that you have received. So you are going to create a new one, and by doing that, up here in the top left, actually before we get there, over here on the left side are all of the emails that you have received, like I said. It says the name of the person who sent the email, so this came from Miss Reynolds, our school librarian, and then it has a little preview of what the email is. Here are the different parts of the email. Here's the sender. Here is the subject. Your subject line is important because it tells you what your email is going to be about. So when you're typing your subject, it's just a few words letting you, whoever you're emailing, your teacher, know what your email is about. And then here's the body of the email. So let's go and make our own now. We're going to go over here to the left and click New Message. And I want to send this to someone who's not in my network. I'm going to send this to a brand new student. Now, even though it doesn't pop up like some of the other options, I'm still going to click this, use this address, and then the student number, and then the email address. I know I've done it correctly because it turns blue and there's a little X next to it. If I'm looking at that and I realize, oh no, I spelled it wrong, I just click the X and I type it in one more time. Then see where it says add a subject? This is what we were talking about earlier with the that shows up in blue and is a short description of what the email is going to be about. So I'm going to say homework email, or I'm going to say 5th period today. Then, and here's the important part, here's where a lot of 6th graders get messed up. You need to click down underneath it. There's a faint little line that you can barely see. But you see when I click here and I click here, you see how my cursor changes? So that is the subject line, that is the body of the email. Now I'm going to start out with an introduction. Hi, Miss Hawkins, and then information. This email is for my assignment today. Thank you for being a nice teacher. And then sign your name. Check over your email, make sure everything is right. I'm sending it to who I want to send it to. I have the subject and I have the email. Now, do not put everything in the subject line and don't leave the subject line blank. Do not leave the body blank. You need to have something in the body of the message. And then as soon as I'm done, I'm going to click send. And there you go. It's sent. Remember, you can watch this video again if you need more help or ask your teachers. Have a great day, Vikings.